Oh my gosh, I do have some breaking news. We have to start here at Fiesta Village at the site of MonteZooma. Let me tell you guys, I have been waiting for this moment for a while. Can't actually confirm 100%. For first off, the tarps over at MonteZooma's is down. They're laid on the floor, but they do have some new scaffolding right here where the launch point actually is. But I did possibly see someone actually working on the attraction and walking inside there. Now, there is some pieces lined out to the far right side of the station. We get the Ace Landmark sign back here, dude. It was up in the front, but they moved it up where the stations actually is. The Ace Roller Coaster Landmark sign. America's coaster enthusiast recognizes MonteZooma's revenge at Knott's Berry Farm as an Ace Roller Coaster Landmark, a designation reserved for the rides of historical significance. It is the last operating Schwarzkopf shuttle loop. At least some progress is happening here at MonteZooma. They may have gotten their part that they needed for the attraction, or they may have gotten another construction company, or is it Zamperla? See, those questions we'll find out throughout the months. Tune into Adventurez with David because we're gonna try to report everything new as much as possible here at Knott's Berry Farm. All right, now let's get back to the intro. We made it back to Knott's Berry Farm. Man, have we got some updates for you guys today. Not that one, but inside the park. Oh my gosh, it's going to be one busy day at the parks. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's head on inside. Let's go. What is to come of Waxworks? I mean, are we gonna be seeing something all different, or are they gonna bring something from the past? Who knows? Let me know in the comment section below, what would you guys love to see them bring back? One of the funniest updates for me is the Pony Express. So the Pony Express does say right there, waiting for a custom app. So I think at the most part, they have it ready to go. So it should be up and running maybe in the next week or two. Another one is at the Wilderness Barn. Was host to the Wilderness Patio Bar, but it looks like construction is now happening in the front of Wilderness Barn, where they're gonna make that into a possible permanent Wilderness Bar. These are the scheduled ride closures. Now here at the Timber Mountain Log Ride, it should be back in operation on March 20th. Jaguar is set to be closed down March 10th to March 14th. The balloon race is set to actually close out March 10th through March 14th. The Linus Launchers, March 17th through March 21st. Pigpen's Mud Buggies, March 24th through March 28th. Sally Swing Along is March 31st through April 4th. The Carousel de California will be closed down March 14th through March 18th. The Calico Mine Ride, that's right, will be closed down for a significant amount of time. It should be closed down between April 21st through May 2nd. Coast Rider is going to be closed down April 21st through April 25th. Hang Time is set to close down from April 28th through May 2nd. Ghost Rider will be actually shut down May 5th through May 16th. Snoopy's Tender Paw Twister will be closed down between May 6th and May 17th. Could we possibly have a meet and greet here near Fiesta Village? Bring out Mariachi Snoopy. All right, so right here, look at this. It's still here. This is the back of Jaguar. The piece is still there, but we have some new pieces actually being cut here. Oh my gosh, they're starting to fall apart. We entered into Boardwalk because Chastain's actually mentioned to us that they have everything boarded off. Will they be bringing a brand new arcade or brand new games, or will they be bringing a brand new attraction to Knott's Berry Farm? Because there is a ton of room in that space, and I mean a ton of room. Tune in to Adventurez with David. Subscribe down below because I'm gonna make sure I film that as much as possible to see what is coming over at the Boardwalk. my overall review for Peanuts celebration this year. It's supposed to be a kickoff to 2025 events here at Knott's Berry Farm. And did they do it justice? No. Looking at how Boysenberry Festival running daily and looking at the Peanut celebration, it's running on weekends, which only gives it about 8 to 9 days to run. A lot of entertainment. I was here watching the entertainment and I loved it. It was fantastic. It was amazing. They did a great job. And I think the cast, the crew, I think the associates as well. I just wish Knott's Berry Farm would give you guys more than just 9 days of 30 plus days of the Peanut celebration. With Boysenberry Festival running daily, that is amazing that they're running every single day. That means we're gonna get shows every single day. But again, that's what Knott's Berry Farm should have done for the Peanut celebration, because of course we all say this, Snoopy saved Knott's Berry Farm, the very first theme park to license the Peanuts gang. I just feel like they didn't do them right. Man, we saw some massive updates. Now, if you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video, give it an awesome thumbs up. If you guys haven't and want to follow me right now, make sure you guys are subscribed. And now we are onward to the next fun adventure. I will see you guys at the Transformers Con. My very first time. Let's go.